Hey fellow traders, welcome to today's video. In this video, we've got you these 3 ultimate volume indicators that will take your trading game to new heights. Because in this fast-paced world of trading, understanding volume is the key to the market, as it is the lifeblood of the market, which will help in providing crucial insights into the strength and the direction of price movements. But with countless volume indicators out there, finding the best one can be a daunting task. That's why we created this video, to help you choose the best volume indicators out there. So make sure you watch this video to the end, to better understand these indicators. Because with these indicators, you can find better and smarter trade entries in the crypto, Forex and stock market. Now, if you are interested in learning more about advanced concepts, strategies, entry reasons, and how to stay disciplined with a trading plan, please click the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Now, without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. The most important thing you're going to want to do is to open your chart analysis tool, which is the TradingView.com, to read your chart and to enter your trades. Now, before we move on to add the indicators to the chart, we would like to let you know the meaning of volume in the Forex trading, and the reason it is so important in the financial market. Now, a high trading volume may indicate that many traders are buying or selling a particular financial asset, which could have an impact on the asset's price movement and market trends. In other words, the higher the volume in a trending market, the longer the trend is going to last, and, therefore, the likelihood that your trades will hit your take profit. So yeah, in Forex trading, volume provides insights into market activity and liquidity, as it represents the total number of currency units that is traded during a given period. Now, you can see that we are open to the price of the Australian dollar with the US dollar currency pair, and on the 15-minute time frame. So in the first place, we have this volume indicator, that is called the Volume Accumulation Percentage Indicator, the VAPI. Now, you are going to click on this Indicators tab over here, and then type in here, the Volume Accumulation Percentage Indicator, and select this one that was created by this guy, Lazy Bear. Now that you have added the indicator, let's go ahead and explain how the indicator works. Now, the Volume Accumulation Percentage Indicator operates in this same accounts as how the on-balance volume indicator works, except that it assigns volume weights based on volatility of the intraday time frame. Now, in a bullish trending market, the volume accumulation indicator should be at its maximum whenever the asset's price makes a new high. The opposite happens in a bearish trend. If the volume accumulation oscillator slopes up, when the price is in a trading range, and then looking for a direction, then it means that there is an accumulation on the asset's price, and that the price of the asset may start moving in the upward direction. The sell signal is given when the bands of the volume accumulation indicator decreases, and the buy signal is also given when the volume accumulation bands increase. The indicator also creates divergences, which are usually very effective too. Now, you are going to go to the setting of the indicator by clicking on this gear icon, and on this input section, you are going to change this time period to 14. Then go to the style section and uncheck these dummy U, dummy L, and the VAPI oscillator, and then click OK. Now, when the bands of the volume accumulation indicator are green colored, it means that you have more volume of buyers than sellers in the market, and when it is red colored, it shows the presence of a higher volume of sellers in the market than buyers. Just like here, you have the green bands of the volume accumulation indicator, which means more buyers in the market, but the buyers didn't have the power to push the price up immediately. But when the price got around here, the indicator showed you a higher volume of buyers, and the price formed this engulfing candlestick pattern. And you could have placed this long trade at the close of this candle, and set your stop loss at this low, and then extend your profit target to a 4-to-1 risk to reward ratio. You can see that this trade would have been a pretty nice trade. Here is another example where the indicator measures accurately the volume of the market participants, and then predicts the next possible trend direction. This trade is still on the price of the Australian dollar with the US dollar currency pair, and on the same 15-minute time frame. Now, you can see that the indicator was showing you that you have both the sellers and the buyers in the market by forming these weak bands, but they are not enough to push the market in either direction, and the price was also forming this choppy price movement. But you could have waited until when the price reached this place. You have the indicator giving you a signal to enter a long trade, because the volume of the buyers is increasing more than the sellers. But then when these 3 white soldiers candlestick pattern formed, which is a strong bullish signal, and you could have entered a long trade like this at the close of this candle, and then set your stop loss at this low, and extend your profit target up to this level, which is about 2.7 risk to reward ratio. So you can see that this indicator accurately tells you the actual volume of the market participants, and then help you to make up your entry decisions. Now, let's move on to the second indicator. Now, for you to get a higher volume of buyers and sellers trading in one particular crypto exchange, and for you to be able to participate in this ever-growing and promising crypto industry, I have partnered with LBank Crypto Exchange, which is the premier cryptocurrency exchange that is transforming the way people trade digital assets. Now, LBank Crypto Exchange has numerous outstanding features that makes it the go-to platform for all the crypto trading. Now, the first feature is the cutting-edge technology. So LBank employs advanced cutting-edge technology to ensure lightning-fast trading execution and minimal downtime, giving you an edge in this highly competitive world of cryptocurrency trading. Now, this LBank's user-friendly futures interface was designed for both the beginners and experienced traders. This interface allows for easy navigation, fast execution of trades, and access to essential information. LBank equips you with this powerful charting tool from TradingView, and this many technical indicators that allow you to make informed trading decisions, stay ahead of the market trends, and never miss an opportunity with real-time data and insightful analysis. You can see that I have 300 USDT deposited already on the LBank Crypto Exchange that I will be using to trade on the exchange. So go ahead and sign up to LBank using this link here in the description below and get up to 10% as bonus of what you deposited. And don't forget to join my new Telegram channel so that you can be seeing the trades that we will be taking using this exchange. LBank offers an extensive selection of cryptocurrencies, ranging from established giants to the promising newcomers. And because diversification is key in the cryptocurrency market, whatever the investment strategy you have, LBank has the coins that you're looking for, all in one convenient platform. So all you have got to do is just sign up with the link in the description below, and then start advancing your crypto journey. Now, let us move back to the video. Here on the chart, we are open to the price of the US dollar with the Canadian dollar currency pair, and on the 1-hour time frame. Now, go to the Indicators tab again, and search for the Heatmap indicator, and then click on this one that was created by this guy, XDecow. You can see that over 5,000 people have used the indicator. Now, when you look at this indicator, you will notice that the Heatmap indicator modifies the bar or candle colors in accordance with the market's volume threshold, using the same colors that are displayed on the volume histogram. Now, you are going to click on this gear icon to access the setting of the indicator. Here in the input section, first, you are going to change this color mode from Heatmap to up and down, then this Heatmap zone from background to both. Uncheck these colored bars. Then come here and change this extra high volume threshold to 3, this high volume threshold to 1.5, and then this normal threshold to -0.05. And then on this style section, you are not going to change anything, and you will click OK. Now, this indicator right here has different volume threshold zones, this being the highest volume zone, and the high volume zone. This is the medium volume zone, and this is the normal volume zone. This red and green histogram represents the highest volume of sellers and buyers in the bearish and bullish trend. And these light red and green histograms represent the medium volume of sellers and buyers in the market, which then contributes to the movement in the price of the assets. So this Heatmap volume indicator is by far one of the best volume indicators that has been designed to show you the number of buyers and sellers in the market and how actively they can influence the market. And this will help you to predict the future direction of the price. Now, you can see that the price has been trending downwards around here, and the Heatmap histograms is also showing you that you have more sellers in the market using these red histograms. But when the price reached this place, the Heatmap histogram started forming more of these medium volume thresholds. And after this indecision candle, you got this big bullish momentum candle. And you could have placed a long trade like this at the close of this candle, and set your stop loss at this low, and extend your profit target to a 5.4 risk to reward ratio. Now, let's take a look at one example with the Heatmap indicator. Here is an example of a trade with the Heatmap indicator. We are still trading on the price of the US dollar with the Canadian dollar currency pair, but now on the 30-minute time frame. Now, you can see that the price has been predominantly in a downtrend, and there have been some spikes in the red histograms, indicating the presence of more sellers in the market. Then after this big bearish histogram had formed, which has also entered this highest volume threshold zones, the price tried reversing because of the perceived weakness in this light red histogram. And then these bullish histograms started forming. And because this bullish histogram had entered this medium volume zone, when the price reached here, then you will take a long trade like this at the close of this candle, and set your stop loss at this low, and extend your profit target to a 4.4 risk to reward ratio. And after the trade had went in your direction, you could have exited right after the formation of this big bullish histogram. Now, let's move on to the third indicator. Here on the chart, we are open to the price of the British pound with the Japanese yen currency pair, and on the 1-hour time frame. Now, go to the Indicators tab again and search for the third indicator, which is the volume-supported linear regression trend indicator. You're going to click on this one created by Lonesome the Blue to add the indicator to the chart. Now, let's go ahead and explain this indicator. Now, this indicator uses a model called the volume-based linear regression model. Basically, the linear regression in statistic means the analysis used to predict the value of a variable based on the value of another variable. So this indicator uses the volume of buyers and sellers in the market to predict the future direction of the price. This indicator is divided into two parts. One of them is this one represented with histograms. Here, the indicator tells you that with these deep green colored histograms, you will have the uptrend strength increasing because of the higher volume of buyers in the market. And this light green colored histograms tells you that the uptrend is still increasing, but you have got higher volume of sellers in the market. And then this faded green colored histogram, where you have the uptrend strength decreasing because you have got more and more sellers coming into the market. And then these red histograms will start forming, and the downtrend will start. This same concept applies to when the price is in a downtrend. Now, the second part is here, where the indicator shows the direction of the price using the moving average crossover of the zero line. And it works just like the histogram concept. Here, you have an increase in the trend strength with an equivalent increase in the volume of buyers. Here the trend starts decreasing due to more sellers coming into the market. And then from here, the trend starts reversing. And you will have the moving average changing color and crossing below the zero line. Now, you are going to go to the setting of the indicator by clicking on this gear icon, here in the input section. First, you are going to change this source to OHLC4, then this short-term length to 14, and the long-term length to 14 as well. The style section doesn't have any significant setting to change, and then you will click OK. Here you can see that there has been no significant movement, but the indicator keeps telling you the volume of the buyers and sellers present in the market. Now, when the price formed these three bullish candles, the histograms had changed to green, and the moving average have also crossed above the zero line. But then when these deep green histograms started forming, you could have considered entering a long trade at the close of this candle, and set your stop loss at this low, and extend your profit target to a 5:1 risk to reward ratio, to catch this small price move. Now, if you are interested in learning advanced concepts, strategies, entry reasons, and how to stay disciplined with the trading plan, then please click the like button. For the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload this high quality and advanced free trading contents. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.